This is an air quality sensor. We're making sure that the air we breathe is good. So you see that? My breath is good. I just blew at it.
You don't need to get personal, like revealing you eat eggs with a shell on, to get the State Farm personal price plan. Just call or go to statefarm.com for a quote.
Does this make it better or does it make it worse?
Prices vary by state. Options selected by customer. Availability and eligibility may vary.
I don't know. Look at that, guys. It's going red. I don't know. You guys might want to do some research and do your own testing and whatnot, because this stuff might be doing more damage than what they say. But I'm not a scientist though, guys, so don't get mad at the messenger. Febreze. And this thing is in the danger zone.